How to solve rate limit exceeded Twitter problem. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To solve the rate limit exceeded Twitter problem, firstly you need to check for your phone's storage. In order to do so, head over to your phone settings. From here you can go ahead and check out your storage space. Now, if you see that there is low storage space, you might want to clear some of the application or content in your device so that you can manage storage to solve this issue. After this, check for the network connection. Sometimes the network connection issue can resolve the rate limit exceeded problem in Twitter. To resolve, scroll down your notification panel and check for your Wi-Fi connectivity. If it's working out, you can turn it off and turn it back on. Or you can switch into a cellular data or a different network connection which is more stable. By this way, you'll be able to resolve the issue of your rate limit exceeded problem on Twitter. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you